So I'm going to give you a few problems that I'm going to do for you, and then you've got probably something very similar to do afterwards, and then you'll have the back side of your paper to do on your own. So for this problem, we have t plus 10t plus t plus t plus t. When you see something like this, you need to ask yourself, what is it saying? Well, it's saying I have 1t, I have 10 t's, I have another t, I have another t, and I have another t. I have a total of 14 t's. Okay, I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to work this out on your own. Okay, this is saying I have 1, 2, 5, 1, or 1, 9. Okay, let's change this to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 Ks. All right, now here's the second problem on your paper. I have 9s plus 7 minus 6s. And so what I want you to do is take your pencil and circle things that are like, and then square the things that aren't. So you want to combine like terms. So the things that you can combine are the 9s and the negative 6s. And so 9 minus 6 is 3s. And then we have plus 7. Okay, go ahead and do this one on your own. You have about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this for you now. So we're going to combine the boxes. I have 12D, and I have 3D. 12 and 3 is 15D. And then I have a positive 4, and I'm taking away 1 from that. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so for this problem, again, we're going to put shapes around the like terms, and they're like because of the variables that are attached to them, and squares around the other ones. And so we have 3 different v's that we can combine, and then we have a positive 9. So I have 6v. I take away 6v. I add 7v. That just leaves us with 7v because these two cancel. And then I'm left with a plus 9. Okay, go ahead and do this one on your own now. You have about 30 seconds. Okay, so I put squares around the m's because they can all be combined. I'll put circles around the regular numbers. So 5m plus 3m plus 2m gives us 10m. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, so for this problem, I'm going to use the distributive property, which we should know how to do by now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 6, I'm going to multiply it by the c, gives us 6c. Drop down the plus, take the 6, multiply it by the 8, which gives us 48, and then take away the 6. And so now I'm just going to combine like terms. And so that gives us 6c, and then 48 minus 6 is 42. Okay, go ahead and give this one a shot. Okay, 4 times 2, 8. Drop the plus. 4 times 2m, that gives us 8m minus 1. And then we're going to combine like terms. So 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 8m. Okay, so for this one, we have 1n, we have 9n, we have another n, we have another n, we have another n, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13n. All right, so for here, we got to combine like terms. So go ahead and take a second and circle the like terms or square them. All right, so let's start off. I have 7s. I take away 2s. I now have 5s. And then I have 6 minus 5 gives us plus 1. 6 minus 5 gives us plus 1. So 5s plus 1. Okay, so this is one of the harder ones because I haven't really showed you this yet. But if you use some of the methods that we've learned in the past, you can probably think about it and do it on your own. So I have b times 5b times b times b times b. Well, b times b we know is b squared, right? And then times another b is b cubed. So I have b times b times b times b times b. That's going to be b to the 4th. And so this little 5 here actually goes right on the front. And let's pretend that this was a 2b here, it'd be 10b. So you basically multiply all the ones that are on the front, combine all those, and then you take the b's and you add them up, and that's your exponent value, okay? So, but here's the answer, 5b to the 4th power. Okay, let's see who's really paying attention for that last video. Go ahead and do this. You have about 30 seconds. Okay, d times d times d times d times d. That gives us d to the 5th power. And then 2 times 3 gives us 6. Okay, so here's another combining like terms video. So we're going to put circles around the like terms, squares around the other like terms. So I have 6s minus 3s gives us 3s. Whoops. And then plus 6. Okay, here's a really easy one. I have 9t. I take away 4t, gives us 5t. And finally, here's the last problem, and then you'll have to do the backside on your own. I have 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 Ks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,